Hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at sales returns. Because sometimes, even after everything goes right, the order, the shipment, the invoice, the product still comes back. Maybe the customer ordered the wrong color. Maybe the size was not right. Or maybe they just changed their mind after opening the box. In Dynamics 365, a sales return allows us to bring the item back into the system in a clean and controlled way, without confusing inventory, finance, or the people who have to explain it later. So let's see how sales returns work and how to handle them properly, the calm and structured way. Let's continue with the example from the last video. We sold 200 backpacks to customer US001. Now imagine they're returning one batch, 20 pieces. Not all of them, just enough to keep things interesting. To process a sales return, go to the Sales and Marketing module. Under Sales Returns, open All Return Orders. This screen shows all existing return orders, and to create a new one, click New. Select the customer US001. Since this is the customer we originally sold the backpacks to. Then, from the top menu, under Return Order, click on Find Sales Order. On this screen, you'll see all the invoices created for this customer. Our sales order number ended with 887, so I'm selecting that one. Now update the return quantity to 20. Click OK. And just like that, the return line is created successfully. The system now knows that 20 backpacks are on their way back, hopefully in good condition. Right now, if you look at the return order line, the line status shows expected. That simply means the system knows the items are coming back, but they haven't physically arrived yet. The next step is registration. So what is registration? Registration is the step where we tell the system, yes, the items have actually arrived at our warehouse. Think of it as the warehouse saying, we see the boxes, they're here, and they look more or less like backpacks. During registration, we also decide what we want to do with the returned items. This is controlled using disposition codes. Disposition codes define the action for the return. For example, we could credit the customer, scrap the item, replace it, or send it for repair. Basically, this is where we decide the fate of the poor backpack. For this demo, I'm selecting disposition code 11 with the credit action. This means two things. First, the inventory will come back into stock. Second, the customer will receive a credit. Everyone is happy. The customer gets their money back, and we get our backpack back. Once we select the disposition code, move to the next screen. Here, you'll see transactions in the upper grid, showing an ordered transaction of 20 pieces. Select the line, and then click Add Registration Line. Now open the batch number lookup. You'll see all the batch numbers that were originally sold to this customer. Pick one of the batches, preferably the one that actually came back, and confirm the selection. Finally, click Confirm Registration. And that's it. The registration is complete, and the line status is now updated from expected to registered. The system officially agrees that 20 backpacks are back in the building, hopefully without extra surprise. Now that registration is done, the next step is to post the packing slip for the return. So what does posting the packing slip mean in a return scenario? Posting the packing slip is the point where we officially tell the system, yes, the returned items have been physically received into the warehouse. This is the moment when the boxes are opened, the backpacks are counted, and someone confirms, yes, these are the same backpacks we sent earlier, and no, nothing extra is inside. To do this, go to the return order. From the top menu, click on Post Packing Slip. On the posting screen, review everything. Once everything looks correct, click OK. After posting the packing slip, the system updates the inventory. The returned backpacks are now officially back in stock. The backpacks are back on the shelf, probably wondering how they ended up here again. And that's it. The sales return process is now complete. We created the return order, registered the items, posted the packing slip, all in a clean and controlled way. The backpacks are back, the customer is credited, and the system is perfectly balanced. Thanks for watching, And let's hope the next delivery doesn't come back with a note saying, "Color was fine, just testing the return process." See you in the next one.